Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share my manicure for 4th of July for 2022. I started off with Baby Girl Lacquer Glitter Be Gone, and this is Bases Loaded Lacquer Shutout. And here we go. This is a brand new bottle of Shutout, and it's very opaque, and it's just, it's one of my favorites. It's, as far as creams, and especially white creams, you're not going to find better than this. I'm just saying. It's a one coater, it stamps, and it water marbles. Now, I am going to do 2 coats today because I'm stingy with my coats. That, and I'm going to have a lot of white showing on my manicure, so I'm definitely going to want to, have it very opaque. Okay, I've got something going on over here. I think it might be my base or a hangnail, or I don't know. So we're going to try to get that out of here. Woody's helping. Oh, hi Woody, how you doing? And then we've got to get back in here with our cleanup brush. So straighten that mess up. So here we go. I am doing that second coat as I promised. I really didn't need it, but I'm a 2-coat person. That's how I do it. So this year I'm doing a little bit of a different 4th of July manicure. I'm not doing flags and fireworks, or I'm doing kind of something outside of the box, which I was really excited about doing. So I hope you enjoy it. Here I'm putting on my I&M's Out the Door top coat. Gonna get this to dry down so we can do the play-in that we love to play. So there we go. Shutout all on its own. And here I'll be using the EDK drink plate. And I'm going to be using these 2 flower images. They're the same, but one's like they're flip-flopped from each other. And then I'll be using Flotsam by Maniology, as well as Maniology's Cherry Bomb. And I got my H. Lacoste scraper and my Nailtiques stamper. So I'm dotting the colors along the top. Excuse me, y'all. These sinuses are just forever bad. And then I'm going to scrape them down over the things, trying to only do 1 scrape, because I don't want to muddy up and blend these colors too much. So let's see. Alrighty. So there we go. So that's what I'm shooting for. I am doing red, white, and blue. I just didn't feel like doing, like flags or... I've done, y'all know how long I've been here on YouTube, and I've done a whole bunch of manicures and a bunch of patriotic ones and 4th of July ones, and I just kind of wanted to do something a little different. Nothing too crazy, just different. So here we go. And on this, like I said, I'm trying real hard to do just the 1 scrape so that I don't get purple, because our colors are not red, white, blue, and purple. It's red, white, and blue. Now, I missed a spot on this side of the nail, so I am going back in and kind of patching it up. And there you go. Managed it, and nobody will ever know that it had a mess up. And then I've decided to add a little bit more right there on the other side, and that turned out perfect also. Love it. Now, for this more full, this is one of those that's got a lot of space going on in it. That you got to be careful when you do your scraping. So I'm going all the way across this image with the polish. There we go. Very nice, easy scrape. Pick it up. Get everything out of my way. Alright. And to be honest with you, it's really hard to tell. Oh, I got some more missing, so we're going to fix that. It's really hard to tell the difference between the images. But on one of them, the flowers show up white, and on the other one, the flowers show up blue and red. That's the only difference. Which I thought was pretty cool. I do hope everybody has a very laid back, relaxed, safe 4th of July. Remember, don't drink and drive. Get an Uber, call a friend, stay where you're at. I do hope it is a good one for you. I'm excited about an extra day off from work, so there you have that. But you guys just really try to enjoy time maybe with your friends and family. Because it's what we do here at my house. We just want to spend time together and have a little bit of more time to enjoy each other. And we'll sit outside and watch fireworks later because the neighbors go crazy. So there we go with the one scrape again. And I know this is a rather long video, and I do apologize, but you know, y'all have told me before, oh, we don't care how long they are, so I share in all of it. Plus, it's a special manicure. I'm cleaning up all of my supplies, even my scraper cards I used, and everything with pure acetone. And I really do love this EDK plate. This little drink stamping plate's just been really fun. I've used it a bunch. Alright, so now that that's cleaned and out of my way, I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get some of this excess up off of my skin. Then I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and do my tidying up. This is acetone that I'm using on the cleanup brush. Please, Tina. And then I'm going to top it all off with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And we're going to seal this one in without smearing it. And now I'm going to put my final top coat, which is Poshe, on the top so that I can wear this rascal for a bit. And I really loved how this turned out. It turned out just like I wanted it to. So that's always fun. And that is it for my manicure today. I hope you enjoyed this one. Here's my swatch photo. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. And that is it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.